So I'm replacing the cassette on this bike, and you have to have sort of this tool. You just push it in, and then normal you unscrew it that way, and you also need the chain to hold this in place so it won't move, and then you just remove it, and then when you put it back you just screw this the other way, the normal way. Here we have the old cassette. It's torn, really torn on the biggest wheel here. I forgot what that is called. Anyway, now I'm gonna replace the chain. It's really torn. Looks pretty bad. Can you get? Yeah. So I'm hoping this will be better, because these cogs here are bigger than the old one, and it was a bit too heavy for, and it was making sounds, so hopefully it will be better. So this is the cassette sprocket that I'm using, and Hyperglide from Shimano. So, and what chain am I gonna use? I'm gonna use the KMC X8. It's known for e-bikes. It's more durability than a normal chain. There are special e-bikes chains also that are even more expensive, but this is a recommended one that I'm gonna try. I'm using the 8-speed. It will fit on 7-speed, which I have here, and it's the same size as a 7-speeder. Yeah. So then this is the only one you can get nowadays. Can't get 7-speed chain. So the old chain has 104 links, or 52 of these whole, and if you count them one and one, you call them links. So the new one has 114 links, and if you count 57 if you count 2 links and 1. So I'm gonna shorten this one to the same 104 as this one, and hopefully it will be okay. You never know, since I'm putting on a bigger cassette now, but I've earlier have replaced this gear here, so it's smaller than the original. Well, we had 2 ones here before, so we had 152 cogs, and now it's 44, I think, and then you had also smaller one, sort of like 40. So I'm gonna use the same size and see if it works. Probably it will. So I've cut the chain to the exact same length, the same amount of links, and now I'm gonna put back, you see here, the link. So it's a bit tight, you have to pull it so that it will get to the left side there, and it's the same on this side here. I thought I would just try to use this poly grip to get it in place. I'll show you if I manage. So the trick is to have the right tool, as always. Good tools have to work. So, but I managed to get it in place. You can see it here. And what I did, I didn't have that tool, so I took this, and then you see I pressed against this side here. So, and then I could put it in place, and then the other one followed. Okay, so time to put back the wheel and see if it's working. So it's in place and it's working. However, don't know if you can see, but the chain line is not so straight, and that is what's making a lot of noise here. It's not so straight, unfortunately. And I don't know how to fix that. You can see it's not straight at all, unless I go sort of heavy gears. So don't know what to do about it. Have to see. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.